Erza Khan and Danish Taimur celebrate each event with great beauty. And one of the special things about them is that they don't invite any celebrities or friends to their parties. The four-member family celebrates their birthday at home. And this time Erza Khan also celebrated her husband Danish Taimur's 38th birthday at home. Erza Khan is currently the top actress in the Pakistani drama industry. She has so much work to do that she apologizes for working on so many dramas because she lacks time. Because just as she is loyal to her work, she is also loyal to her husband, children, and in-laws. And maybe it's because of that time management that she is on the list of successful actresses today. If we talk about the age of Erza Khan in the year 2021, then she is 30 years old while her husband Danish Taimur is 38 years old. And by the grace of God, the couple has become the parents of 2 children. Let us tell you one thing here, that none of Erza Khan's family is from showbiz. And yet she has become a successful actress today because of her natural abilities. But in today's article we will see that when Erza Khan wore a black saree to celebrate her husband Danish Taimur's 38th birthday, she looked even cuter than Deepika Padukone. A lot of people started saying that you both look like a prince and a princess. And seeing their loving photo shoot, people started praying that God will always keep you happy. Did Erza Khan look more lovely than Deepika Padukone wearing a black saree? If so, don't forget to tell us your opinion in the comments section below. Thanks.